Hello viewers, I'm Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Relations and Function exercise 2.17 sum. Let's see the question. Let A equal to 1, 2, B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, C equal to 5 and 6, D equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. We need to verify in the first subdivision they are given A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. So we need to verify whether this is true or false, whether this is equal or not. For that I am going to take LHS. In LHS you know that we need to first do the bracket. Here bracket is B intersection C. For B intersection C, the same element will be your intersection. Here the same element is a null set. There is no same element in B and C, so it will become a null set. Here we need to find A cross B intersection C. For A cross B intersection C, A is 1, 2 and crossing over with a null set will be your 0, because we can't multiply. This is a multiply actually. We can't multiply a element with a 0. So your answer will be your null set. So this will be my 1. This will be my LHS. We'll move on to the RHS. In RHS, we need to find A cross B. So A cross B means first element of A with the element of B. Similarly, we need to multiply all the thing. Here 1, 1, 1. Similarly, 1, 2 and 1, 3. 1, 3 and 1, 4. Next with 2, 1, first element of A with the elements of B. So 2, 2 and 2, 3, 2, 4. So I have crossed A cross B. Now we'll move on to the next bracket, that is A cross C. So in A cross C, we need to multiply A and C. So 1, 5, 1, 6. Same way 2, 5 and 2, 6. So I have multiplied element of A with element of C. Now we need to find the intersection of these two both. Intersection of 2 is 1, 5 is not here in this, 1, 6 is not here, 2, 5 is not here and 2, 6 is not here. So A cross B intersection A cross C is a null set. See, from 1 and 2 both are equal. This is also a null set and even this is also a null set. So from 1 and 2 they are equal. So hence verified. So we are proved with the first one. We'll move on to the second one. The second one, it is given that A cross C is a subset of B cross B. So I am writing A and C. 1, 2, B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So first I am going to find A cross C. For A cross C, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. So 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. The same way we need to multiply similarly for 2. So 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3 and 2, 4. So I have multiplied, I have done with A cross C. I need to do with B cross B. For B cross B, I am writing the set again 1, 2, 3, 4 so that it will be easy for you to see and understand. For B cross C, B cross B, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Similarly with 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. Similarly with 3, 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4. Same with 4. 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3 and 4, 4. So I have done all A cross C and B cross B. They have asked whether this is a subset of this. That means the elements of here should be there in this. 1 comma 1 is here, 1 comma 2 is here, 1 comma 3 is here, and 1 comma 4 is here. Similarly 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4 is here. Therefore A cross C is a subset of B cross B. So hence we have verified this. It is a subset of this. So we have verified. That's all with the sum. Thank you.